so many baby shark. After fishing activity left here. Look at this. I should have came here a little early. Hey, wow, this one is alive. Look. Oh, look, this one is alive. There are more alive. I can see moving. Oh, lot of them are moving now. Look. Let's put them here. They are weak, but slowly they are going to